So we're starting with the new safety features. So the first thing you'll see is the check your ride every time banner. This happens no matter what, whether just on the homepage of the Uber, everyone will see this. You can tap it and scroll through some of our safety feedback or safety tips. For example, this one, always remember to check your ride before you hop in your Uber. You always double check that the driver, car model, and the license plate match what's displayed on the app because we have that information. So this is a good place to learn more, and we'll always be continuously updating this with new safety tips as they become available. So now let's go request a ride. So say we're going to the airport. Confirm. So we got it. So you'll see here the check your ride every time. We have another banner, in-app banner that pops up. But say a lot of people, close their phone the second they get the app because I just don't need Uber open anymore. So another thing we'll do is we'll send a push notification that says check your ride every time, and it has the license plate and the car details, which is the color of the car, and then the make and the model as well, to remind you that even if you close your app, you still need to check that ride before you get into your Uber. So now let's swipe this. So another part is the driver photo. We definitely want to check that the driver is who we think they are. And so you can tap on the photo and then tap on the photo again to expand it. And this gives you a blown up photo of the driver's face, so you can check and verify that the person who's driving you is who actually is the app says they are. Additionally, and this is old, so this wraps up our new features, but our old features are all in the safety toolkit, which is in the shield on the right side of the map. So you can tap this and you can see the safety center, share your trip, or 911 assistance. So I'll go through each of those in order. The safety center is an additional place where we have information about safety, and we continuously update this as there are new safety features and products in the app. Here's also a place where you can set up trusted contacts, and trusted contacts are people who enable you can share your location with them live. And so if it's a family member, I do it with my parents all the time. It's a good feature to give you peace of mind so that someone else knows where you are in real time. And so now I'll close that. And sharing your location is as easy as tapping this and just tapping who you want to share your location with. You'll see in the top of the screen it says trip status shared. That means it's successful and that they know the real-time location. Additionally, and we hope that no one ever has to use this, but we have 911 assistance in the app. And so this enables you to call 911 if that unfortunate incident happens. All you do is swipe right here and call 911. Additionally, in 60 cities in the US right now, we actually directly connect with the 911 operators and share the location and car details. And you can see what information is shared right here. And we hope to roll out this feature soon to the rest of the country. And finally, when you tap 911, we know that you tapped 911, and even if you don't call, we'll send you a support message and check in and see that everything is okay.